Hi, everybody. It's Tereese. Happy New Year. Yay, it's 2025. I know people are going, ooh. But it's a new year, and I'm kind of looking forward to this year. Kind of, I have some goals that I have made for myself this year, like cleaning my craft room. That's like an ongoing thing, but I really want to reorganize um, and just use what I have and not spend so much. I mean, I don't think I spent that much this year than last year. I've been very, very picky in what I've been buying, but I did buy a lot of My Creative Time. She had some really great stuff. Her release is coming out. I know Jill had said or hinted that she's getting her package, and so it's going to be hard. But um, I'm going to resist, not because of financial reasons. I just have so much stuff, guys. I just need to reevaluate my crafting, what I use, what I don't use anymore, what I need to use more of. So that's my personal struggle that I do every January. So today I'm here to share my card for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations. She is hosting another year of Deck the Year. And this time around, she's opening up two playing cards and time cards, which I do not have, but that's okay. And index cards, any size index cards. I think the 4x6 cards and the 3.5 or 3x5 cards, I think. So that's going to be fun. But today I wanted to, um, do a playing card. I still have some of these left from last year, and I wanted to use them up. So I'm going to have a combination of index cards and playing cards this year. Um, so I do not have my little, what do you call that, label that I use. And today is Thursday, January 2nd. And I am doing a winter theme card. I layered some papers from Hobby Lobby. I got this, was it this year? I want to say this is, I don't think this is yeah, it is Christmas 2024. I think I bought this in the beginning. Um, I wanted to put this on my Christmas card this year, and I did not get a chance to. So I used some of the papers from that pad. I tore it up. I sanded the background like I normally do. Because this part is exposed, I sand it down. Um, I added this die cut that I had in my stash. I had it in one of my containers, and because I was just trying to see if I had like a sentiment that said "Let it snow." I was going to put that on here instead. But I found this little snowman, and I added it to my cart. Added it. And then I used some of these old veneers, snowflake veneers I've had in my stash forever. Um, Glued them down, added some bling from my stash, and then that is my card for January 2nd, 2025. Oh my gosh. Wow. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great new year, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.